Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to allow your Google Chrome browser through your Windows Defender Firewall guys. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. First, go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it guys. On left side you just need to select Firewall Network Protection. On right side you just need to select allow an app through Firewall. Now you just need to press in keyboard G for searching Google Chrome. If you find Google Chrome in here, that's not a problem. If you not find it, then you need to click on change setting and click on allow another app and select browse, and you just need to navigate to the Google Chrome location and click on it and add it guys. Click on open and add it. After that, that will be added in this list, and you just need to check mark Google Chrome private and public guys. If it is already checked, that means it allow through the firewall. If not, simply check mark the box private and public. You successfully allow Google Chrome through the Windows firewall guys. Click on OK for save changes. If you can't find the Google Chrome location, now you just want to right click on the Google Chrome and select open file location. You just need to copy this URL page, copy it, and you just need to paste it guys. To find it, copy and right click on it and select paste it, press enter. The location will be there and click on it and add it guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.